In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DuckDuckGo extension. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple and clear process of installing the DuckDuckGo extension in a Chromium-based browser. This will help improve your online privacy by blocking trackers and giving your searches an extra layer of protection while you browse the internet. To begin, open your web browser on your computer. This demonstration is based on Google Chrome since it is one of the most commonly used browsers for installing extensions through the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you are using a standard browser window so that all menu options are visible and accessible. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner and locate the puzzle piece icon. This represents the Extensions menu. Click on it to open a list of all installed extensions and related controls. This area is where you manage, enable, or configure browser add-ons. From the Extensions menu, select the option that leads to Managing Extensions. This will open a dedicated page where you can view all installed tools and access the Chrome Web Store. Depending on your browser version, this option may appear as a button or a link, but it will take you to the same management page. Inside the Extensions dashboard, look for the option to open the Chrome Web Store. Click it to be redirected to the official extension marketplace where you can safely search for and install trusted browser tools. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type DuckDuckGo. From the results, select DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. Open its listing to view details about its features, including tracker blocking, private search, and enhanced browsing protection. When you are ready, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear explaining the permissions required for the extension to function properly. Review the message, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. The installation process only takes a few seconds, and once completed, you will see a confirmation that the extension has been successfully installed. After installation, you can optionally pin the extension to your toolbar by returning to the Extensions menu and selecting the Pin option. This makes it easier to access and manage while browsing. With the extension active, your browser will now automatically apply privacy protections such as tracker blocking and safer search integration. You may also notice privacy indicators on websites, helping you understand how secure each page is while you browse. And that's it. You have successfully installed the DuckDuckGo extension and improved your browsing privacy in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.